It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2017 Nissan Frontier SV in black. Gray cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and about a 5-foot box. This has a 4-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has air conditioning, a sliding rear window, and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out.
This is a 4-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's take a look inside.
Emergency speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted, and we have the carpeted mat on the floor with the Frontier badging. We have the adjustable side view mirrors, hill descent, and cargo lamp. And then we have a grab handle, just making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, we have our volume, hands-free dialing. We have our cruise control, and we're going to start up the vehicle. We're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading. There we go. And in the center, a little cubby, CD player, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio. And as well, we've got our volume and our tuner, front defrost, side view mirror, as well as AC, max AC, hazard lights, and it's got 4x4, traction control, little cubby, automatic shifter, emergency parking brake, couple of cup holders, and our armrest, and a 12-volt. Off to the side, we have the auxiliary line and USB, as well as a locking glove compartment. Grab handle in the body, manually dimming, rear view mirror. We also have some lighting control, sunglass holder, and there is a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. And we're all set to go.
16-inch wheels, black door handles, driver's side fuel cap. You got a locking rear tailgate. And you just open up the latch to let it down. A nice lined box with tie downs in all 4 corners. You can hop in and head out on your latest speaker and cup holder in the door. Power windows, 60-40 split with seating for 3, and a lever for easy let down. You got a storage box here with an extra antenna, cup holders, extra storage in the rear pouch of the seat, grab handles in the body, and a manual rear sliding window.
A 5-foot line box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated side view mirrors, halogen headlights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. And if you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.